Hi friends, today we'll learn what is programming. By definition, a program is a set of step-by-step instructions to perform a task in a language that the computer can understand. So for example, I ask you to add two numbers. What do? You listen for the first number, you listen for the second number, your brain adds those, which is called processing, and then you give the output. You either speak it out or you write it somewhere. So let's compare computers and humans for this particular example. The way you would take the input would be by listening to it. The computer takes it from keyboard. So the first number it took was 3. The second number is 5. It also takes the operation that it's supposed to perform. And then it passes this data to the CPU. Like we did it using our brain, the computer does it using the central processing unit. It processes it and the output is given via the display. It also saves it in the memory, just like we would write it to a file. But the issue is the computer is made of circuits. It's just a machine, so all it can understand is on and off. Either there is an electrical signal or there isn't. So it's all binary, zeros and ones. Now, how do we communicate with the computer? We cannot ask it to add two numbers in binary. I mean, we can, but how would you do complex tasks? It would be crazy. So we have high-level languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and several others. And we have software called compilers or interpreters. They convert this high-level language into assembly code. Assembly code is closer to machine language. It is then converted via assemblers to machine language. And what is machine language? The binary, zeros and ones, that the computer can actually understand. So in the next video, we'll start learning C programming, and we'll get to some action where C programming is actually a high-level language for which we'll be using compilers to convert it to assembly and then to machine language, and then we can just start writing some cool code.